It takes a long, long time for spring to get rolling around Nick's garage. But on this bright, cold morning, the shop is warm and packed with projects to keep everyone busy. Oliver, the new guy, has pulled the short straw again this morning and is spending a couple of hours on the grinder cleaning up bolts for Nick's engine builds. And there are lots and lots of engines here to be built.
I'm taking the car out of the shop because I need to get the Mustang rolling. So I got to bring the Mustang out so I can get it running, so I can do some fine tuning on the fuel injection. And in the meantime, I'm going to park this outside because it's running. I need the space, so I got to move it.
But the best part about spring is being able to finally roll open that big front door and do a little of the work outside.
Remember I said I was going to fix the reverse light? Check it out. There you go. And we set the tach right there. All right, we got everything going. And of course, we also fixed the handbrake, so everything's ready to go.
He honestly meant to just roll the Coronet out and park it for a while, but as soon as the sun came in through that open top and he felt the wind on his face, Nick got a different idea.
You know what? I'll take it up the street without any brakes or nothing. No seatbelts, no nothing. Just to see if the transmission works. Seriously? Today? Here we are with our 1970 Coronet 4-speed car outside. We're just going to take a little road test with it. Just want to see if the transmission works and the clutch. And we're going to do it a little bit illegally. But you know what? We're just going to go to the corner back slowly.
Do we even have to say this? Don't try this at home, kids.
This is a convertible that has the top. We have it closed. But then again, we don't have a cover on it. But it doesn't matter. Here we go. We're in first gear. Second gear. Check it out. This is a fun ride. Too bad I can't kick it. We're just gonna go around the block slowly. Here we go. First gear. We got a squeaky wheel here, right here, but that doesn't matter. It's only temporarily. He's got another wheel coming in. There we go. Now we're in third gear. Well, it's good so far. So far, so good. Let's try fourth gear now. Okay, make sure our gauges work. It's charging. Not sure about the fuel gauge. Tach is working. Now we're going to wait for the temperature gauge to go up. Shifts down, let's see now. Okay, downshifts. Here we go, second gear. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Let's start street. Let's go. Go reverse, back up. We're driving our car with no tail lights, no lights whatsoever. No mirrors, no seat belts. Let's go. This is crazy. We're not gonna kick it. We're just gonna take it easy. We're just going around the block or around up to down the street. That's about it. and that's as far as we go. So it looks like everything's working, and I'm gonna bring it back in the shop. Here we go, and here we are. Well, first of all, we're going to do a wheel alignment. We've got to fix the fuel gauge. Shifter works fine, brakes work fine. Steering looks good, it's not loose, it's pretty tight. We're just going to do a wheel alignment on it. And besides that, just got to take it and have the body painted, put all the lights back on, put a roof on it, and then bring it back, and then take a wild road test on it and find out how it goes. That's going to be a fun ride, eh? And for now, wait for the client to come pick it up and take it to the shop and have it painted. There we go, another fun ride.
When Nick gets back from his little unplanned test drive, he checks in with Manny and Vasily to see how they're doing with that GT500. Nick's client just picked this car up, and it's running a little rough. But now it's in the hands of Manny the mad scientist.
I believe it's a 460 in an American Shelby Eleanor. We're trying to tune it with the fuel injection here, but I think we have a few issues, so we're gonna have to work on it for a while to figure out what's going on. We just about got started working on it. So I got my friend Manny, who's got more knowledge on the EF5 than I do, so I'll let him work on it, see if we can work out this issue here. So it's gonna take some time, and we're gonna do our best with it.
Nick can fix a carburetor in his sleep, but when it comes to EFI and Fords, he knows that Manny has the know-how to get this beast running smoothly in time for the hot weather. Nick is definitely a Mopar guy at heart, but he's not above working on the other brands, even ones with fancy EFI. He's even been known to work on the occasional European car.
This is gigantic 6-piston calipers here on the Porsche, and we're installing new pads and discs. So here we go. We do all kinds here, yep.
Nick doesn't discriminate. He works on all kinds, as our new friends in Sweden have found out. In fact, Nick is very grateful to a few of our Swedish viewers who kept him from making a little mistake.
You know, we had the fuel pump installed on the Volvo this way, and I didn't remember how I took it off, and when we had it reinstalled, we installed it this way. And we had some comments from you viewers that said that we had it installed upside down, which was supposed to be this way. We removed it, and also had another comment with a few other guys telling me that the insulator was not installed on the fuel pump the way it was installed on the car. So I went back in the trunk, took out the old pump. I noticed the plate was still stuck on, which was a 1/4-inch stick made out of plastic. I removed it from the fuel pump, put it on the pump, turned it right side up, and now it's installed the correct way. And in the meantime, most American fuel pumps are like this installed, except like, for example, maybe Oldsmobile is like this, just like Volvo. So, and now we know that a Volvo is always installed this way, and this is the correct way. But we installed it this way because we do a lot of American cars, and most American engines are installed this way. And it's possible, yes, we could have damaged the cam lobe because the cam was on the soft side, but for some reason having it upside down didn't exactly sat flat on the lobe. So for that reason, thank God we didn't have it started, and we found the problem and had it turned over before we did any damage. But hey, you learn something new every day, and thanks to you guys, we got it done right. And I sure like to see Sean drive his grandparents' car. I know he's had it parked for a long time, and And you know what? I'd like to see him drive it away here. But first we have to check the car, make sure it's safe, pass inspection, get it plated. And then after that, I'm gonna take it for a nice joyride to see if anything goes well. So then I'm gonna call Sean to come over, pick it up, take it a ride. If everything goes well, let him enjoy driving his grandparents' car. So it's between you guys, my viewers, and me, not knowing much about Volvos, we can get this thing running.
Getting him running, making him run fast, and keeping him running. That's what they do at Nick's Garage.